Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all. Now we will start our third chapter in EVS or science. Lesson 3 is taking care of the body. Taking care of the body. In this chapter, we will see how we can take care of our body. How we can remain fit and healthy by taking care of body. We will see many points. What should we can do regularly and daily so that we may remain fit and healthy. Now see, to remain fit, take care of your body. To remain fit, we should take care of our body. Keep it clean and tidy. We should keep it clean and tidy. And for this, we have to do many small things that we can do regularly. And this is very important. Number 1. Brush your teeth twice a day in morning and before going to bed. As we do, but we have to brush our teeth while going to bed also in the night, so that we don't have a tooth decay problem. So every day we have to brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed also. Number 2. Take bath every day. Use soap and water. Wipe with clean towel. You have to take bath every day. When you come to school, what you do after getting up? You should use washroom, then brush your teeth, then you should take bath. And always you should use soap and water. Nowadays you can use Dettol also, so that to kill the germs of your body. And wipe it with a clean towel. You should use a clean towel to wipe your body. Now, third point. Cut your nails by using nail cutter. Once a week you should cut your nails, fingernails and toenails both. You have to cut your nails by using a clean nail cutter, clean and safe nail cutter. And this should be under the guidance of your parents, that you may not harm yourself. Now, next point is comb your hair neatly after taking bath. Whenever you come to school, every day you should comb your hair neatly and then come to school. While you are going out also, then also you should comb your hair neatly. And on Sundays also, when you are at home, in the morning itself after taking bath, you should comb your hair neatly. Then exercise daily. Play outdoor games. If you want to remain fit, then you should exercise daily. Understood? You can run, you can skip, you can play outdoor games. Understood? Play outdoor games. It is very important for your health. And by the way, swimming is a very best and good exercise to keep our body fit and healthy. Now, eat healthy food. Drink water, drink milk, eat fruits and vegetables. You should include green fruits, green vegetables and fruits in your food. And you should, every day, you should drink a glass of milk. And you should drink plenty of water every day, so that your body remain fit and healthy by eating healthy food. Now, another point is go to bed early and wake up on time. Early, you have to go early to sleep so that you will wake up early in the morning on time. And if you will do this nowadays, these days if you will do, then you will have a habit. When the school will open, then you will able to do this. Next one is cover your mouth and nose While you are sneezing or coughing, while the time of sneezing or coughing, every time you have to cover your mouth and nose. If you have handkerchief, you can use that. If you don't have handkerchief at that time, you can use your hand to cover your mouth and nose, and after that you can wash your hands. But you should not sneeze or cough in open. Now, watch a TV from a safe distance. Watch TV from a safe distance. Always you should watch TV from a safe distance because it is good for your eyes. It will keep your eyes safe and healthy. Visit a doctor when you are ill. If you are ill, then don't take it for granted. Always you should visit a doctor so that you become fit and healthy early as possible. Now, use handkerchief to wipe your nose. Always use handkerchief to wipe your nose. So when you will come to school, remember that in your pocket there should be one clean handkerchief so that you can use for wiping your nose, for wiping your hands. Wash your hands before and after meal. Whenever you go for a meal, wash your hands, and after meal, after eating the meal, you should wash your hands. This is the foremost important because when you will wash your hands, the germs will rinse off through water. As you all are knowing, in these days, the most important point, is going on is that you should wash your hands regularly by using soap or by using Dettol. These things you can use, and wipe your hands with sanitizers. Now, do not put anything inside nose and ears. Never ever put anything like a piece of paper, cotton, or a matchstick, anything like this, whatever, while playing also. Please do not put inside your nose and ears because it is very dangerous for you. Now, some steps for daily healthy routine. Some steps are there for daily healthy routine. What can you do? Likewise, these days you are at home, so these steps you can follow. Every day you can do these steps. Understood? So that it may be easy for you when you will come to school. You can follow that, and you will be habitual to these points. And if you will do this, you will never become ill. You will always remain fit and healthy for your whole lifetime. So first one is wake up early in the morning. As you know, you have to wake up early in the morning. Second is use washroom, brush your teeth. Whenever you wake up early in the morning, run to washroom, go to washroom, and then brush your teeth. This is the second thing you can do after waking up. After brushing your teeth, you should take bath. You should take bath properly using soap and water, and wipe your body with a clean towel. Then after taking bath, next point is wear tidy clothes and comb your hair. You should wear tidy, neat and clean clothes and comb your hair very neatly. Then have a healthy breakfast. After doing that, you should have a healthy breakfast. Include fruits and green vegetables and milk, and then study, learn and play. Then after that, what you want to do means in these holidays, you can study, you can learn, then you can watch these videos, and you can do all the activities whatever it is shown in the videos, and you can play after that. Now let's have some activities. Activity number 1. Write names of 5 things that make you clean. What you can do is you can just listen the question, and then you can write the answers with the help of your parents. You can see here the question. Write names of 5 things that makes you clean, that keeps your body clean. For example, I can tell you, for example, your toothbrush. Understood? Your toothbrush, like that. Soap, with what soap you use? Soap So these are the things that make you clean. You can write the 5 names of the things that makes you clean. Now next activity number 2. By seeing this question, you have to answer that what you use. Like number 1 is this: after taking bath, dry yourself with. So what you use for drying your body after taking bath? So here you can tell the answer by listening to the video. You can tell the answer here only. And we have read also. After taking bath, dry yourself with. Now number 2, cut your nails using. What should you use to cut your nails? This also we have read. So you can tell the name. What thing you use to cut your nails? Now number 3, use this to wipe your nose. What you use to wipe your nose? It is very simple. What thing you use to wipe your nose and hands? Now this activity, it is very fun for you. It is a fun part for you. You will enjoy this while doing. What you have to do, just take a paper and pencil and color pencil, and you have to draw and color any 2 things that makes your body clean. What you have to do, you have to draw any 2 things that makes your body clean. Any 2 things that keep your body clean, that you use to keep your body clean. 2 things you draw it and color it for color by your choice. Whatever color you want to do, you can do it. So you can see here the question: draw and color any 2 things that makes your body clean. You can do this. This is a very fun part for you. After watching the video, you can take a paper, take a copy and draw it. Understood? So this is the end of the 3rd chapter of science. Hope you enjoyed a lot and hope you understood all the 3 chapters. And you can watch the videos on Campus Care. It will be uploaded. But remember that you should do all the activities which I have given, because it is for the betterment of you. You will able to understand the chapter more deep. So you should do all the activities, all the exercises which I have given. And remember one thing, which is the most important thing nowadays, when you are at home, please remember that stay healthy, stay fit, and don't go outside your house. Thank you and have a good day.